Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Frankie is a street food that you can have on the go, which means you can actually make it at home and eat it whenever you want. It's portable, it's easy, and today I'm going to show you how to make Schezwan Cheese Frankie at home. Let's get started. Let's start by making the dough for our Frankie. I'm going in with 1 cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour. A little bit of salt just to taste. Some crushed black pepper. About 1 tablespoon of oil. Just mix it together with your hands. And now we'll add some water to make a proper dough out of it. Once the dough starts coming together, take it out of the bowl and start kneading it on the counter. It will be sticky at first, but it will come together very well in a while. Let's add a couple of drops of oil and knead it again. The dough is now ready. Let's rest this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's make our filling right now. I'm switching on the gas on medium heat. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of oil to this and about 1 teaspoon of butter. We'll let this heat up. Now that the oil and butter have heated up, let's add ginger garlic paste. Saute this for a couple of minutes. Let's add some Frankie Masala. You can also use Garam Masala if you don't have Frankie Masala. This will literally take 10 seconds to saute. Then we'll go in with our onions. These are finely chopped onions. To soften the onions easily, let's add some more salt. The onions have softened. Let's add some Schezwan sauce now. This is about 2 tablespoons. And lastly, we'll add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix it very well. We'll add some more salt to taste. The potatoes need to be sauteed for about a couple of minutes, which is almost done now. I'm going to switch off the gas and our filling is ready. Our dough has rested well for about 10 minutes and let's portion this into 3 parts. Before rolling this out, I'm going to start my tawa so that it comes nice and hot when we start roasting it. Use some dry flour so that it doesn't stick to your counter and start rolling it out. The tawa is nice and hot. Let's start cooking our rotis. Once you start seeing some bubbles, flip it over. Add some butter once the roti is almost done and toss your roti around in it. Flip it over and repeat. Okay, let's take off our rotis. Let's start assembling our Frankies now. Let's take our wrapper, add some ketchup to it and a little bit of Schezwan sauce. Spread it across the roti. Now it's time for our filling. Add it to the center of the roti. Let's add some cheese now. This is Mozzarella cheese. To add some crunch, let's add some raw vegetables. We have some chopped capsicum here and some chopped cabbage. a nice sprinkle of chaat masala, and some chopped coriander leaves. Let's roll up our Frankies. Let's assemble the other two as well. Our Frankies are now assembled. What you can do is during a party or anything, you can just assemble them and keep and roast them whenever you want to eat them. Now let's switch on our pan again. Again on medium heat, let's add some butter. And let's add the Frankie to the pan now. Place the Frankie seam side down so that it doesn't unravel and it packs itself. I love it when the Frankie goes a little crispy on the edges. So I think it's time to flip it over now. Looks good. The other side is also nice and crispy. Let's take this off now. And that was our last Frankie. This is an absolute kid-friendly recipe. You can also customize the filling as per your choice, and when you do customize it, do let me know about it in the comment section below. Like this video and share it with everyone you know. Subscribe to Rajshri Food for more such recipes. See you next time.